everyone, it's Shell from Scrap Secrets and welcome back to my channel. Today's day 23 in the 2022 Countdown to Christmas series, and since this is so last minute, we are making last minute gift tags for those of you who are like me and are still not done their Christmas stuff. So I found these wooden tags at Hobby Lobby. It was a pack of 10 and they were like 70% off. And then here I'm showing you the necklaces that I got for the girls. I got each one with their first initial on it. We're going to be using Mama Elephant stamp sets called the Cali Alphabet. So there's an uppercase and a lowercase one. And then this one is Hero Arts, and I believe it's called Santa's Workshop. So we are going to be personalizing each tag with the girls' names. So I wanted to start off with one of the little elves from the set. So there's a girl elf, a boy elf, and then one that looks like they're like a very young elf. Oh, for the three older girls, I did the girl on the corner on the bottom right. And then for Mila's, I chose the younger looking elf. And she's funny. I got the girls Santa sacks, which I pretty much do every year. All their presents go in that or whatever can fit in there. And I had Mila the one day and we were at Target and she picked out the three girls and then hers, and hers was totally different. So I don't feel bad making hers different because she picked out a Santa bag that was completely different than everyone else's. So I guess it's so she knows what one is hers when they're under the tree. But we are going to work on personalizing this. So you can see I am stamping down all of the letters in Brooklyn's name. So Brooklyn likes to be called Brooke now, which my brother-in-law does not love. When they were born, my mom said, oh, we have a Brookie and a Maddie. And my sister was like, don't call them that. And that's exactly what they want to be called now. Brooke likes to be called Brookie Cookie, and Madeline is usually Mads, sometimes Maddie. So I'm just spelling out her name, and then I put the no peeking on there, and I thought that it was like, it looks cute, didn't know if it needed something else. I'm also using a pen, one of the Pilot pens, to go ahead and fill in any of the stamped image that I missed. It's not a smooth surface, and I didn't use a stamping platform like a Misty or anything. I just used a plain old block. Most of these stamps I've never used before, so I kind of just rolled with it. I was pretty surprised at how well it all came out. I'm using Lawn Fawn Jet Black ink in case I didn't say that, and I think that works really, really well, but you never know. On a surface that's not really smooth, it's hard to do. So I did Brooklyn's first, and then I did Madeline's and Nora's kind of at the same time. And when you see the letters, the Mama Elephant lowercase letter ones, I am missing the A. I have no idea where it went to, but I figured if you could turn the O a little bit, instead of having the loop on the top and have the loop on the side, it looks like an A. So you guys are going to have to let me know. Did I get away with it? Especially in Nora, you can really tell because Nora and Mila both have A's at the end. However, Nora has the O in the middle. So hers is the only name that has both the O and the A in it. So let me know if you even noticed that they were different, or does it not look like an A? I tried to do my best. I was going to use all of the uppercase for Mila because Mila does write her name. She's 3, so she writes everything in uppercase, but it's cursive, so I don't know if any of the twins are learning cursive in school, so I think they'll be able to read it. Nora probably will recognize her name, and Mila probably will too, actually. So you just see I'm kind of batching these. I'm just stamping everything on there. So I hope that everybody is ready for the holidays, whether you're celebrating Hanukkah, Christmas, whatever you're celebrating. Hope you guys are all ready. I am not. Tonight I made my grandmother's sugar cookie recipe. And so I guess like a little funny story. Years ago, so my grandmother had a sister and a brother, and their brother passed away when he was a teenager. So it was just the two sisters, and my gran passed away 22 years ago. So it was just my Aunt Claire left for a while, the oldest sister, and my mom made the cookies and took them down to her because she was living in Florida. And she said, oh, I made mom's cookies, meaning my mom's mom. And she said, they were my mother-in-law's recipe. So all this time we thought they were my grandma's. My Aunt Claire has kind of a skewed view on our family history, I think. She actually wrote some history down, and it's funny, you know, and there was no one there to dispute any of it by the time we read it. So we don't really know if it was my Grams. I'm still going to call it my Grams sugar cookies. So I made that recipe tonight, put it in the refrigerator, and I will make cookies tomorrow. I wrapped presents tonight. I'm very last minute. Lucy helped me wrap presents. If you want to check it out, I'm going to post some pictures over on Instagram because she was super, super helpful, especially when it came to eating the ribbon. She was a champ at that. So that's kind of where I am craft wise, because it just was, you know, I'm just very, very far behind. So back to the tags, I decided that I was going to color them in, and first I tried using Copic markers, and you'll be able to see on the right hand side it bleeds out a little bit. So I was like, forget this, we're not going to use Copic markers. I tried to pick it off a little bit with the craft pick. Didn't really work. So I went and got my Prismacolor colored pencils and didn't do any shading, didn't do any of that, just kind of colored in the images. For Brooke and Mad's one, I went ahead and colored in the hats red, and then for Nora and Mila's, the hats were green, and then did the opposite of that for the little collar on them. And then added a little bit of white for the band across it and the little pom-pom on the elves, and then used a tan for the elf face color. I also took a brown pencil and colored in all of the hair. All four of the girls have brown hair. Brooklyn probably has the lightest, but it's still like a medium shade of brown. So just picked a brown, colored all of it in. Really didn't put too much thought into the colors that I picked. Just wanted to get some color on there, just a little bit of color on the tag. And these, like I said, these are all going on the girls' necklaces. So I'm going to have them open those at the same time. All four of them open those at the same time. I'm also trying to figure out how to do the girls' big present. The three older girls are going to be Eagles cheerleaders for the day, which I'm super excited about. Like I said in the honeybee video, we didn't get to do it last year. I bought it for them, but some of the cheerleaders ended up with COVID and they canceled it. They did a little virtual thing. So I feel bad that Mila can't do it, but she'll be fine. She'll probably go watch. So I chose a sparkle blend set that was called Holly Berry, and just went ahead and picked out some holly leaves from that just to give a little bit more color. I also thought that they needed something else on the tags, so put the holly leaves down, and then also glued down a red glitter sequence for the berries. I thought these were really cute. I think they came out really, really well. Hope that you guys enjoyed this. You'll see a picture of the tags on the present in a minute. Thank you guys so much for watching the series. If you haven't checked out the intro video, check that out for the giveaway rules, and I will see you guys again tomorrow for another video. Bye!